Hi Divine Souls, welcome to Spiritual Swarna 3 YouTube channel. This is a channel on spirituality and healing. I am Swarna here welcoming all of you into my channel. I thank all my subscribers for subscribing in previous few weeks, and also my present subscribers who have been watching all my videos and putting beautiful comments at the comment section. I am also learning from you all. And also a newcomer, if you are a first time watching my channel, please go through all my topics, and in case you like it and it's going to help you, please subscribe and share among your friends. So today again I'm on a spirituality topic. I'm into energy based healing since last 6 years, and I believe in healing body, mind and soul. So I always choose, most of the times my topics are only on spirituality. So this is again one more topic on spirituality which I have chosen to discuss today. It is about YouTubing karma or media karma. This topic is very close to my mind. I wanted to make a video on this, but 2 days ago I had spoken with one of the subscribers who was my friend also, and she's a subscriber, and I have been observing her since quite a number of months, and I just guiding her on her spiritual journey. And in the conversation, so I just told her that this is what it is happening to your mind, so please be careful. So she said, why don't you do this video so that many people will get benefited out of it. What is YouTubing karma? Okay, YouTubing means not only the YouTubers who are making the videos and uploading it in the YouTube, it also means the people who are watching those videos. Okay, so karma, YouTubing karma is for both for the YouTubers who are making the videos and who are watching them. Okay, what's happening when you watch something on a media platform or YouTube? We all register those information in our subconscious mind. We have been observing that whatever we see, listen from outside environment are getting registered in our subconscious mind, and it's like a information in our information, spiritual information hub, and from there it is actually used whenever the transaction or the situation arises. We use that information to do our actions. Okay, one important thing which I want to tell you is that time is very important in this time and space dimension. In this 3D world, time and space are very important. Time especially because we have come with an expiry date. We have very limited time in our hand. Money you can multiply, but time you cannot multiply, because that's a fixed resource, and that resource is very important for us. Each day we are aging towards our death. Okay, so that is a reminder for us that whatever we want to do, we have to do it right now. Okay, and whatever spiritual work has to be done on yourself first you have to enable your spirit first, so that you can help others. But if you fail to help yourself, then it's difficult to help others with the idea, even though you have a good idea about how to go about it. So it's very important that you have to keep your spirit very high. So this media or the YouTube's videos which are just coming as a ransom, coming too much into the feed for many people on similar topics or the same topics, many are actually trying to post their thoughts onto the subscribers' minds. Okay, so whatever YouTubers, they actually are having their experiences or what their point of view is getting actually implanted into the subscriber's mind. Okay, this you have to be very careful. You cannot make it out until you are very spiritually aware that they are trying to put their thoughts into your mind. Okay, so whatever information they are putting in the YouTube is getting registered in your mind. So they will say many things. If you observe many YouTubers, they are actually saying about the spiritual topics I am talking about. So whatever they say, they say one thing now and actually a contradictory statement again after some more time. It's not like that. So you have to be very careful in choosing which channel you are going to watch. This is very important for you, especially the twin flames and spiritual souls. Please watch channels with carefulness, because many are dumping their point of views into the YouTube channel, and many may not be enough spiritually mature to even to train the other people. And in case you are getting into their point of views or their point of thinking, then somewhere you are creating your own karma also. Okay, as I told you, whatever you watch, it is going and sitting in your subconscious mind, and it will access that information and perform actions whenever the time arises. Okay, and this karma or action has, we all know that, has cause and effect. So whatever YouTuber is doing, his voice, his way of thinking, his guidance is also influencing mass number of peoples. Okay, and if he is directing positively or to the highest good of all, to the highest knowledge, divine knowledge, then the chances that positive karma will be created. But if some people are giving their point of views and opinions and their belief systems, they are trying to tell through YouTube, then it is like sometimes it is going to create negative karma for them also, and for the people who are watching, the subscriber souls also. So it is very risky. You have to observe everything. If you have not watched my free will video, please go and watch it. Everybody has a free will. YouTuber has a free will to make the videos. Subscriber souls have the free will to watch the videos, but how you utilize it is all upon you. The law of cause and effect gets on the basis of free will. So if the YouTuber is saying everything, it doesn't mean that everything you have to accept it. You have to check with your inner awareness first about your own self, your own past experiences, how you have been guided internally, then take decisions or actions based on that. Okay, because I have seen like some people saying cord cutting with the twin flames. You cannot cut the cord with the twin flames if you are a real twin flame. Okay, so this is just example. Many people keep guiding from their point of view and their belief system and their knowledge, but I think you need to also think about it, get connected with your intuition, and then take actions accordingly. Okay. And I wanted to tell that how can you minimize this YouTubing karma. Okay, you can minimize by watching less of those channels. Okay, watching less of those channels and checking with intuitively with your own inner guru before doing any action, whether that is correct or not. Okay, and do your inner work properly. When you do your inner work, your inner guru gets activated, and automatically it will take you to the places and the people who can help you rightly, not influenced by anything else like societal belief systems or their own experiences, because everybody is being influenced by their past life sanskars also. So that is also going to influence their YouTube making quality. Okay, so that is also happening. So everybody is operating from their sanskars, their beliefs, and their point of views, how they have taken the experiences, all those things. So all those things also matter in making YouTube videos. And also people who are watching it are getting the implants of these kind of thoughts being placed by YouTubers. YouTube has become a very big platform to influence people. So when you are choosing some channels, be careful onto what channel you are watching, because that will become a part of your subconscious mind, and that is your soul, and that is going to guide you further in future. And this account is not for this lifetime. It is going to it will be carried forward for next lifetimes also. So you have to be very careful in doing watching all those videos. Okay, stay protected from dark energy attacks. There are many YouTube channels which are also actually promoting dark energies. You never know, it looks very similar to spirituality or spiritual topics, but these channels are being influenced by dark energies. So you will, if you are a little bit in awareness, you will understand which channel is towards light and which channel is towards darkness. These dark energies are operating through your emotions. Recently we have seen many turmoils happening in India about the actor and the cross-border fight which is happening. These media or YouTubing methodology is actually triggering your emotions, thus affecting your aura, your light body. You don't know, but you are getting triggered by these kind of incidents which you are seeing in YouTube or media. For this, the karma will be faced by both the YouTubers and as well as the people who are watching it. So keep yourself protected, do your inner work to the most, because inner work is the only thing which is going to safeguard you. Okay, there are turbulent times coming ahead, so prepare yourself well in inner work, become so solid, come to the state of witness or observant state, so that you can handle things very easily. You can guide people into your spiritual journey very easily. So this is very must that you should do your inner work regularly and in a right manner. And there is a ascension happening from 3D to 5D, and there is a spiritual war happening. So the light and dark are, there is a war which is happening, and dark trying to impose the more darkness into, or ignorance into the people's mind, and light is trying to clear off this darkness. So all the things are happening together, and there's a kind of a confusion and chaos in the internal as well as external environment. We are all witnessing this change, which is going to be which is going to bring new world. Okay, so I just say that just be aware of your YouTubing karma or media karma. Whatever you're putting in the Facebook is also mattering, because everything is getting updated in Ethernet. Okay, so be careful in what you're putting into the YouTube channels or Facebook or any media. That is all wholesomely it is going to affect. Put only positive thoughts, do only light work, ignore darkness, don't focus on the darkness, focus always on the light. Light is only going to give you the strength. So hope you like this video. In case you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.